Aruba Airport Authority NV a celebrar o primeiro vuelo de Southwest Airlines for de Aruba para Houston. O evento tomou lugar de sábado dia na sala de salida número 4. Essa aqui é a emissora é o primeiro vuelo internacional para o aeroporto William P. Hobby na Houston, Texas. E lo vai de história com o primeiro vuelo comercial a Baja for de Aruba.
8 luna passada a celebrar o primeiro vuelo de Southwest Airlines para Aruba. Já sabe, a última aerolínea a celebrar a abertura de um mercado novo, uma destinação nova para Aruba, Houston, Texas.
The Southwest story here in Aruba has been nothing short of fascinating. It was less than a year, an event just like this that launched Southwest operation here in Aruba, and not only that, but it was the first big milestone for the airline, as Dan and Ronella mentioned, the first international flight for Southwest. And in this very short period of time, daily flight to Baltimore, daily flight to Orlando, and now a weekly flight to Houston Hobby. It's quite an extraordinary story, one that we're quite proud to have played our small part in Southwest's success here in Aruba. And if I'm not mistaken, when this airplane lands in Houston Hobby today, it will be the first international flight to arrive in Hobby in over 40 years for any airline. So that's quite a milestone.
O serviço novo de Southwest Airlines logo brinda viaje para Simão Riba de Sabra com o avião B737-700 que comodamente acomoda 143 passageiros.
Today's flight is a historical milestone for the city of Houston and Hobby Airport. It's because of Aruba's forward thinking and implementation of the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol's pre-clearance program that we are able to bring more low fares to this island. This way, when our customers land back in Houston, they can seamlessly connect to other destinations or grab their bags and head home and relax after a very great vacation. Houston holds a special place in our hearts as it's one of the 3 original cities that we served back in 1971 when the low-fare leader took off. We started with only 3 airplanes, and today we have a fleet of nearly 700 Boeing 737s, more than 46,000 employees, and serving more than 90 destinations across the United States, Caribbean, Mexico, and also, starting today, Costa Rica.
Southwest Airlines lo ayuda a Aruba en diversificar os mercados ng Denmarca, en vez de enfocar solamente en la área norte-oeste del continente americano.
It also starts to extend the network reach from Aruba into the Midwest and the West Coast. And as Aruba becomes more of a year-round tourist destination, this expansive, or at least diversity in the network into the U.S. is important, not just for the airport, but for the country as well. So to the entire team at Southwest, on behalf of the Aruba Airport Authority, you've been a great partner. I have a feeling we're going to be blowing up a lot more balloons and cutting a lot more ribbons in the coming years, and so we're going to keep them all. We'll keep plenty of supply of those things on hand for the next milestone.
Southwest Airlines conta com um staff grandíssimo de mais de 46,000 empregados que anualmente serve mais de 100 milhões de passageiros. Amita Patrick Pascal, para a TV, Canal G5.
Southwest Airlines existe 44 anos acaba e tem sua base na Dallas. Está operando mais de 3.400 vuelos por dia para 94 destinações de América e 6 países adicionais. Não opera a flota de aviões Boeing mais grande do mundo, de qual a maioria está equipada com Wi-Fi, brindando conectividade de gate para gate, mientras que está volando riba América. Southwest é o único aerolínea americano grande que está oferecendo maleta sem custo para viajar e não está cobra para esse câmbio de reservação.